My name is Dennis Itumbi. I see Dana struggled a bit with my titles. Mimi ni mkubwa wa come here, go there. Mimi ndio nasimamia server yote ambayo wamekuwa natafuta pale State House. To the family, I stand on behalf of the Presidential Communication Service, Emmanuel Talam, Hussein Mohammed, the spokesperson, Eric Ngeno, the speechwriter, James Kinyua, Onjoy Gidhae, David Nzioka, and Erastus, to say pole sana. Because of the interest of time, we have had our written condolence, which we have handed over to family, but allow me to say just two things, which have been said very well by other people. One, that we wish to remember Rita as the queen and master of storytelling and stories of truth. Some of the stories I've heard here before I spoke are not necessarily stories of truth. Last year, because of good fertilizer, we improved the bags that have been harvested in this country from 60 million to 80 million bags. Because of good fertilizer, the demand for fertilizer has gone up by 200,000 acres. If it was bad fertilizer, demand would not have gone up. And finally, my friend Senator from Kitui said, "Iyo ni mawe na mavi ya punda." I'm lucky to have grown up in Mwea, where we bring up donkeys. Na hata mavi ya punda tulitumia kama fertilizer. But that said, let me finish by saying that there is a verse in Genesis chapter 5 verse 27 that writes about a man called Methuselah. Hatukuna kitu ingine, tunajua tu alizaliwa na akaishi miaka 696. We know nothing else. We are fortunate to come and say goodbye to Rita, who lived 46 years, and we come here to say that she has done a lot, has been described by the various newsrooms. And on that, my friend Joe, my friend Linus, my friend Ken, vijana wawili wamesimama hapa, their voices, their demeanor shows that actually they can join journalism. At least, at the very least, to wapatie internship if nothing else, so that they can start a journey in memory of Rita, so that at least in those newsrooms that you have said zimeachwa zikiwa empty, we can ensure that the voice of Rita is back. To the MCA, because you are the only one who basically comes from the ground here, na umesema fertilizer ni mbaya, before I leave, please give me receipts ya wale ambao wamepata fertilizer mbaya, and I will ensure the compensation is done before I leave here. Ndio tuache uongo na tukue na stories za ukweli. God bless you and keep you.